Tips to cope with the buzzing and ringing of tinnitus. As with many other things in life, there are tips and tricks that will help you or your loved one treat or relieve the discomforts of tinnitus. The following video is full of great information that will help you to lessen the discomforts that are caused by this irritating disorder. If the doctor says that they cannot assist you with tinnitus, try to see another one. Some physicians are not familiar with tinnitus, so they cannot treat it properly, so it is important you go see someone who is well trained with the condition. Rub a small amount of Vicks Vapo Rub on your chest before bed. If your tinnitus is related to TMJ, sinus issues, or problems with the eustachian tube, then the ointment will help relieve your symptoms. The Vicks also has a calming effect for many people, which is an added bonus. Join a support group if you suffer from chronic tinnitus. Tinnitus can be extremely stressful for some people, and having someone to talk to about it can help you feel better. It also is beneficial to be around others that understand what you are going through. If you cannot find a group locally, you can join one online. To help you treat tinnitus, maintain a low stress level and relax more. It has been shown that stress and anxiety can aggravate or even cause the symptoms of tinnitus. By learning to relax and controlling your stress, you can alleviate the symptoms and improve the condition. You are now equipped with some helpful advice about how to deal with your tinnitus. Hopefully you are starting to feel much better about your situation now that you have learned these tips. If you put them to use, you can find some peace in your life. You may eventually find that the disorder improves or disappears. Brain scan uncovers the real root cause of tinnitus and what you can do about it, starting today. Please visit earpainhacks.com to learn more. Would you like to learn how to naturally ease tinnitus? Please visit earpainhacks.com to learn more. Link in the description.